because you can do all of those things in Python, right? You can distribute it across different servers. You can't always do that with R, at least not in a convenient and safe way, right? You can make a lot of mistakes deploying R, right? So this is why, you know, R has kind of been surpassed by Python. But at the same time, you know, R will always have a place in academia and research labs, right? And that's kind of why I get the question too, and I know it because I did my graduate studies in R too, so I know a lot of you are the same way. Somebody just yesterday commented that on one of my posts, and I said, yeah, that's exactly what I did. You study R in school and then you switch over to Python. That's a very common path, right? So yeah, so Alan, that's kind of the answer, right? That, you know, you can start with R, and R has a rich history, and it will still be around, but it just doesn't have those deployment capabilities. And really, what you're talking about there is you're talking about the flexibility of the language, right?